Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. Today is the 5th day of Christmas. One is a rustic Christmas tree sign. I printed off some simple Christmas trees that I could trace onto this piece of wood that I had in our garage. It's actually a piece of fencing that had fallen down, and I cut it to size. Once I have the placement for my trees, I trace around them with a pencil, and then I will use DIY paint and white swan to fill in the trees. I did also go ahead and add kind of a snowdrift at the bottom of the sign. Once both trees were painted in, I added some eye hooks to the top of the sign and used wire to make a wire hanger. I curled my wire around a pencil and fed it through one of the eye hooks, and then I decided to add some wood beads. Once I have placed all my wood beads, I go ahead and feed it through the other eye hook and give it another twirl with that pencil. To give this more of a neutral farmhouse look, I used a white bow, some white berries, and greenery from Dollar Tree. I tied the bow around the eye hook, and then I hot glued the berries and the greenery to the front. The frame is from Dollar Tree, and the greenery that I'm using is from Dollar General. I removed the 2 glass pieces and set one aside. I used stickers I had on hand to spell out the word Mary, but I didn't even have all the right letters, so I pieced together a few different pieces to make my Y and my E. Sometimes it's all about making do and using what you have. I started with placing the middle letters first so that I could be sure the word was centered in the frame. Once all the letters were pieced together, I replaced both pieces of the glass. I chose to embellish the frame with some mistletoe from Dollar General. This is from the wood pile at Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99, but I did get it 40% off. I'm going to give it a coat of Waverly chalk paint in ink. I painted around all the edges first, then I painted the front part of the reindeer, and then went back with a smaller brush to do the nooks and crannies. Here I'm using some of Hobby Lobby's paper flowers from the wedding section that I did get on sale, and I'm adding those to the top of the reindeer. This gold vine is also from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use it to curl all around the antlers. Here's a look at it hanging between my windows in our family room. I'll see you back here tomorrow for the 6th day of Christmas. Be sure and check out the playlist in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.